let's go back and have a look at Frederick and his mates. In another game, he and 9 friends, so in total 10, have had 10 shots at goal, and here are the results. Once again, we need to find central tendency. In reality, we could actually use the mean or even the median because there are no significant outliers for the mean that would affect the results. But we can also analyse this data by looking for the value that occurs most often. So let's go through and work it out. So here we have 4. We've got a 4, 6, 4. Oops, hang on, we don't want that there. I'll just quickly start that again. 4, 6, 3, 7, and 2. Okay, so I'll quickly whiz through. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fours. There is 1 6. There are 2 3s. There is 1 7, and there is 1 2. So 3 and 2 is 5, and 5 is 10. Okay, so if we were to represent this data from the soccer game in a table, it would look like this. So if we just go back up for a second, the figure or the value that has occurred most is 4. So there were 5 boys who scored 4 goals. So let's go down and have a look at the table. Okay. Here, our data is represented in a table. Again, we can easily see that the value that occurred most is 4. Okay, we have 5 boys that scored 4 goals. We can therefore say that the mode number of goals scored was 4, as 5 out of the boys scored 4 goals. Using mode like this can be particularly useful when determining which value occurs the most. For example, a clothing manufacturer needs to know the mode size so they can produce accordingly. There's no point finding out what the average size is. There's no point manufacturing 100 of each small, medium and large shirts if they only sell 50 large, 150 medium and 70 large shirts. While the manufacturer would have much more detailed data, you could say that in this instance they have a mode of size medium.